Hello and welcome. This is my 1994 LL Bean Approach, a rebranded Specialized Hardrock. I bought the bike new and rode it off and on for many years. Unfortunately, time had taken its toll on the bike. So, last winter, I decided to completely restore the bike. This is pretty much what it looked like stock, other than the saddle, combo shifters, and normal wear items. Most recently, I had installed a quill stem adapter and a 720mm wide wake handlebar to replace the stock 590mm one. After working on the bike from a bare frame up, this is what it looks like now. To briefly recap, I sanded and repainted the frame in black and gold. I also reinstalled the stock handlebar and stem, albeit repainted. I converted the bike from a 3x7 drivetrain to a 1x9 drivetrain using an aluminum Ganoper crank and 30-tooth narrow-wide chainring, a Shimano 9-speed 14 to 42 tooth cassette, and Shimano Altus derailleur and trigger shifter. The rolling stock consists of Continental Trail Kings on 26-inch wide Weinmann double wall wheels. Best of all, it now has a nifty looking white Selle Italia Turbo saddle. So, that's the recap. The only thing left is to take the approach out for a test ride. For my first post-restoration ride, I chose the Hallowell Reservoir in Hallowell, Maine, largely because at that time it was the only place open since it was pretty early in the season. I was really surprised at how much more playful the bike felt with the new drivetrain. It accelerates well in the middle and higher gears. Even better, it climbs remarkably well for a heavy steel-framed bike. On the other hand, moving down from a 720mm handlebar to the stock 590mm bar was an eye-opener. With a lot less leverage, the steering feels, well, twitchy, for lack of a better word. Added to that, the bike's total lack of suspension meant that my arms and legs became the de facto suspension. Yeah, the ride was quite a workout. Good for the old cardiovascular system, certainly. You know, it's kind of strange to think that this kind of handling used to be the norm. After a bit, though, I got used to it. So, was it worth the time and money spent to restore a well-used rigid mountain bike? Well, I suppose that depends upon your point of view. I don't usually get emotionally attached to stuff. That said, I do have a certain sentimental attachment to this particular bike. I just could not bring myself to let it waste away, so to speak, given my history with it. So from that perspective, it was definitely worth it to me to restore the bike. Now that I have, I anticipate that I'll be enjoying this old classic for a long time to come. Below left is a link to the Approaches playlist, and below right is a link to another video which I think you will enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It really does help the channel. As always, thank you for watching. I truly appreciate that. Goodbye and have a great day.